In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Sam's Club business credit card in 2026, step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to know is that you must have an active Sam's Club membership before you can apply for the business credit card. If you are not a member yet, go to the official Sam's Club website and sign up for a membership first. This is an important requirement, so make sure your membership is active before moving on to the application process. Once that is taken care of, the next step is to gather your business information. Having everything ready ahead of time will make the application much smoother and help you avoid delays. You should prepare your business name, business address, employer identification number, or any other tax information they may request. You will also want to have your annual business income or revenue available, along with your business contact information. In some cases, personal information may also be required as part of the credit evaluation process. Keep in mind that the exact details requested can vary depending on your application. After that, you can submit your application. There are two main ways to do this. The first option is to apply online by visiting the official Sam's Club credit application page and choosing the business credit option. This is usually the most convenient route if you want to complete everything from your computer or phone. The second option is to apply in person by visiting the Member Services Desk at a Sam's Club location and asking to apply for a business credit card. If you prefer face-to-face help, this can be a good choice. When you begin the application, carefully fill in all required business and personal information. Take your time here because small mistakes can slow down the process or cause issues with your application. Before you submit, review everything closely to make sure all details are accurate and complete. Once your application has been submitted, the next step is to wait for a credit decision. You may receive an instant approval, a request for additional information, or a notice that your application is still under review. Approval is subject to the bank's credit review and eligibility requirements, so timelines and outcomes can vary. If you are approved, your business credit card will be mailed to you. When it arrives, follow the activation